One of the most eagerly anticipated astronomical phenomena is the potential Betelgeuse supernova. Sitting like a cosmic jewel on the famed shoulder of Orion, this red supergiant star has been captivating stargazers for centuries. Commonly mispronounced as Betelgeuse, correctly pronounced Betelgeuse, is an extraordinary celestial body nearing the dramatic end of its life. But in late 2019, something peculiar happened. Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in the night sky, began to dim. This wasn't some subtle shift, only detectable by advanced equipment. The dimming was so pronounced that even casual observers could notice the change with the naked eye. For months, the star's brightness continued to fade, causing scientists and enthusiasts to speculate wildly. Could this be the beginning of the end? Was the star about to explode into a spectacular supernova? When astronomers aimed their most advanced telescopes at the Crimson Giant, they discovered something shocking. Betelgeuse wasn't fading due to its final collapse, at least not yet. Even though its brightness eventually returned, the great dimming sparked new questions about the mysteries lurking inside this colossal star. So, what's really going on with Betelgeuse? When might it go supernova? And, more importantly, could this cosmic event have any disastrous consequences for Earth? Let's unravel the fascinating story of one of the most famous stars in the universe. A cosmic landmark, Betelgeuse in Orion. The brilliant ruby-red star. Betelgeuse resides in the upper right shoulder of the winter constellation Orion the Hunter. You might know it better by its other name, Alpha Orionis. Though it's the second brightest star in Orion, after the dazzling blue supergiant Rigel, it holds a special place in astronomical lore due to its peculiar behavior and sheer size. Betelgeuse's name comes from the Arabic term Yad al-Jawza, which translates to the armpit of the giant. It's a fitting name given its position in Orion's celestial anatomy. This star is one of the brightest points in the night sky, ranking as the 10th brightest star overall and the 7th brightest visible from much of North America and Europe. But brightness isn't Betelgeuse's only claim to fame. This massive red supergiant is a behemoth among stars. Scientists estimate that its diameter is an astonishing 764 times the size of our Sun, meaning if Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, it would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even stretch past Jupiter. A dying giant. Betelgeuse is a star in its twilight years, and its life story is written in its fiery red glow. Red supergiants like Betelgeuse burn their fuel far more rapidly than smaller stars like our Sun. While our Sun is expected to shine for over 10 billion years, Betelgeuse has lived fast and will die young, burning through its fuel supply in just 10 million years. Currently, Betelgeuse is running out of its primary fuel, hydrogen. In its core, the star has shifted to burning helium, carbon, and heavier elements in a desperate bid to sustain itself. This process will inevitably lead to the creation of iron in its core, a catastrophic turning point for any massive star. Once iron accumulates, it can no longer support the star's immense weight, leading to a gravitational collapse and the inevitable supernova explosion. The mysterious Great Dimming of 2019. The sudden dimming of Betelgeuse in late 2019 left scientists and sky watchers puzzled. For a star that had remained one of the most consistent landmarks in the night sky, this unexpected change was both thrilling and concerning. Observations revealed that Betelgeuse had lost nearly 70% of its usual brightness, causing speculation that its long-anticipated supernova was imminent. However, further research revealed that the dimming wasn't due to the star's impending collapse. Instead, Betelgeuse had ejected an enormous cloud of material into space. This ejected matter cooled and condensed into a veil of dust that temporarily obscured the star's light from our perspective here on Earth. This event, called a surface mass ejection, SME, was unlike anything previously observed on a star of this scale. To put this into perspective, the mass ejected by Betelgeuse during this event was 400 billion times greater than the material expelled in a typical coronal mass ejection from our Sun. It was as if Betelgeuse had shed a massive outer layer of its skin, creating a shroud of dust that dimmed its light dramatically. What happens when Betelgeuse goes supernova? When Betelgeuse does finally go supernova, it will be one of the most spectacular events ever witnessed by humanity. For several weeks, and possibly months, the star will shine with a brilliance that rivals the full moon. It may even be visible during the day, a glowing reminder of the sheer power of the cosmos. But should we be worried? The short answer is no. Betelgeuse is located between 430 and 724 light-years from Earth, well beyond the 50 light-year danger zone where a supernova's radiation could harm life on our planet. Instead of destruction, Earth will be treated to a celestial light show that will likely inspire awe and wonder across the globe. A star's legacy. Betelgeuse has always been a star of intrigue. Ancient Greek and Chinese astronomers noted its unusual color changes, with some historical accounts suggesting it once appeared yellow rather than red. This indicates that Betelgeuse may have transitioned from a yellow supergiant to a red supergiant during its observable history, a rare and remarkable transformation. As it continues to lose mass through violent ejections, Betelgeuse plays a vital role in the cosmic cycle of life and death. The material it sheds enriches the interstellar medium, seeding the galaxy with the elements needed to form new stars, planets, and potentially life itself. The future of Betelgeuse. While the exact timing of Betelgeuse's supernova remains uncertain, scientists are closely monitoring the star for signs of its final collapse. Cutting-edge instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope are helping astronomers unlock the mysteries of this dying giant. For now, Betelgeuse has returned to its usual brilliance, reclaiming its place as one of the night sky's most dazzling gems. But its great dimming serves as a reminder that even the most familiar stars have secrets yet to be uncovered. So the next time you gaze up at Orion's shoulder, take a moment to appreciate Betelgeuse, a star on the brink of cosmic immortality. Whether it explodes tomorrow or a million years from now, one thing is certain: Betelgeuse's story is far from over.